I put a towel into hot water and get rid of a stubborn problem in a simple way. This home remedy has been known for years. Grab a pan and fill it with water. Bring it to a boil. Hot water activates all the ingredients. Now add some table salt. Salt not only improves heat conduction, but also helps release tension, making the mixture more effective. Next, pour in a little alcohol, about 1 tablespoon. It warms the body and helps the ingredients blend together. The most important part is VapoRub. Add about 1 tablespoon and let it dissolve in the boiling mixture. The menthol and eucalyptus gently cool and refresh, while camphor relaxes and adds comfort. Combined in hot water, these ingredients create a powerful, soothing mixture. Now take a small towel, soak it well, squeeze out the excess water, and place it warm on your neck or knee. Leave it for a few minutes and let the heat and active ingredients sink in. You'll feel warmth, relief, and relaxation. This simple trick speeds up recovery, boosts your energy, and makes you feel lighter in no time.